Hello my students, grade 2, how are you? Today we'll explain topic number 5. Open the book, number 1. Within 100 using a strategy. Look at me about review what you know first. Vocabulary 5 minus 5, 15 minus 5 equal 10. We can add together 23 plus 32, 3 plus 2, 5, and 2 plus 3, 5. 14 minus 7 equals 7 because 7 plus 7 equals 14 is fact. Okay? Circles the method describe mental math. Math that is done with paper and pencil. Math that you can do in your head. Choose second one. Circle the statement. Describe compatible numbers. Numbers that are close with numbers that you want to add or subtract. Numbers that you can add or subtract using mental math. Addition and subtraction factors. Complete the related addition and subtraction factors below. 6 plus 1 equals 13. We can count from 6 to 13. Just after 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Then 6 plus 7 equals 13. And 13 minus 6, 7 equals 6. 4 plus 7, 11. 12 minus 3, count back. 11, 10, 9. 12 minus 3 is 9. 9 plus 6 is 15. 16 minus 8 just after 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Name 8. Tim has 25 stamps. Roy gives him 51 more stamps. How many stamps does Tim have now? We can collect together. 25 to 51. 5 plus 1 equals 6 and 5 plus 2 is 7. Then the total answer will be 76. Next question. Lesson number 1. Okay. In this lesson, topic number 1, topic number 5, lesson number 1. Subtracting and ones on the chart. You can subtract from chart here 57 minus 23. We know 57, look at here, minus 23 equal 7 minus 3 equal 4 and 5 minus 2 equal 3. Then we can find the answer from chart. Look at here. Start with me, put 57 minus 23. Look at here. Where 27? 27 here. Where 27? 27 here. Subtract by 23. You must subtract 2 from where 57? 57 here. Subtract 2 in the teens. And then ones 3. 57. Subtract by 23. 7 minus 3, 4. And 5 minus 2 is 3. Then the answer will be 34. Going to 34. Start from 57. I'm going to 34. Where is 34? 34. We can count back to at the teens. Look at the steps here to explain. 57, we will go back 2 steps. Okay, 57 here, go steps up 1, 2. Then go 4 steps. 1, 2, 3, or 3 steps to back. 1, 2, 3. Then the answer will be 34. So you must start going up by 2 steps because we cancel 21st. Go back 2 steps up. Okay, start with me here. About 57, go back 1, 2. And then go left hand side by 3 practice. 1, 2, 3. Then you can find the answer from chart, from 100 chart. It's easy. 57 subtract by 23. We can go back, go up here 2 steps up and go left hand side 3 steps. 1, 2, 3 to going to 34. Next question. So here we have 2 solutions. First, or you can explain 1, 2, 3 and going up 1, 2, 3. So will be correct. What we can write the answer about 57 minus 23. So the steps are not in. Start from 57 here, 57 and go up steps 1, 2. Then go left hand side 3 steps 1, 2, 3 to go into 34. Or you can use this method also to find the answer. at here, go left hand side 1, 2, 3, 4, and here go up 1, 2, 3. Okay, this answer will be correct or not? 3 minus 3, 4, 3 minus 5, 2, 5. 5 minus 2, 3. Okay, it's correct. And it's also correct. This method also, we have two methods to find the answer. Okay, and they are correct. Next question. This page use 100 chart to find the answer. Find this 100 chart. Look here, put steps. 69 subtracted by 36. 9 minus 6 is 3, and 6 minus 3, 3. The answer will be 33. Find the number here, the difference between 65 and 34. 5 minus 4, 1, and 6 minus 3 equal 3. The answer will be 31. 54 minus 24. 4 minus 4 is 0, and 5 minus 2, 3. 7 minus 22. 7 minus 2, 5, and 4 minus 2 is 2. 60 minus 18. Bar models to find the answer. Start from 60 here and going steps, subtract by 18, going up steps 1 to find the answer will be 42, going to 42, going to 42. Okay, so this start 60 and go back 1 up, still go up here 1 and the teens, or you can put 1 minus 2 and 5 minus 1 is 4. The result will be 42. Here's the steps about 36, 69. We have 60 minus 14 will be 42. If you want to find the answer here, you must start at 18 and count 2 spaces to 20. To match the ones in 6 move 0.4 row to 60 and 40 and 2 to get 42. This example, 60 minus 18 equal what? Equal 42. Where 60? 60 where? 60 here. If you want to start from 60, going to 42, 42 here, you can go back 1 step about this and go left hand side 8 steps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's easy or not? Okay, again, I will explain it. Okay. We have here 60 minus 18. First step, go back 1 step, up 1 step, and go left hand side. We have here 1 step, and left hand side 8 steps. Start with me about number was 60 minus 18. 60, start from 60 here and go back 1 step, 1 step here, 50. Then go step 8 steps back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 to 42. The answer will be 42. Okay. Question. Use also bar model here. 100 chart to find the answer. Look at here. I will explain this for you. 40. Look at here. 54 minus 7. 54 minus 7. You can go back 7 steps about 54. Our 54 here. The answer will be 47. Going 7 steps back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Going here. And what about 96? Subtract by 63. Start from 96. Okay, 96 where? We're 96. Okay. We must go up 6. Go back 6 steps. And go left hand side 3 steps. Okay, start from 96. Start from 96 and go back, go up 6 steps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Go left hand side 3 steps. 1, 2, 3. So it will be what? 47 or what? 6 minus 3 is 3 and 9 minus 6 is 3. It will be correct. 33 here. Start from 96 and go up 7. Go up 7 or 6. Go up 6. First go up 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And go left hand side 3 steps. 1, 2, 3. The answer will be 33. It's correct. Question. What about 45 minus 22? 45 here, subtract by 22. We must start from 45 and go up by 2 steps and go up here by subtract by 20. It's meaning up 2 steps, and here left hand side 2 steps. Where 45 here, go up steps 1, 2. Go left hand side steps 1, 2. Going to what? 23. The answer will be 23. Okay, next question. What about 82 minus 61? 82 minus 61. We must start at 82 and go up by subtract by 60. Go 6 steps up and left hand side 1 steps. Okay, start with me at 82. Look at here. Your mind here, 82 here. We go up 6 steps. Go with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then go left hand side 1 step. Answer will be what? 21. Next question. 65 subtract by 22. 21. We can start at 65 and go up by 2 steps. 65, where 65? 65 here. Go up 2 steps, up 1, 2, and left hand side 1 steps, and the answer will be 44. Okay, you can complete for the answer by yourself. The method. Next question. We can find the unknown number here. 7 minus 1 equal 4, 7 minus 4 equal 3. And here 4 minus 3 equal 1. 5 minus 3 equal 2. 9 minus 1 equal 8. 7 minus 3 equal 4. 8 minus 2 equals 6. Then the median here it will be 8. We can subtract with the difference to find the median. Next question. Use tools to find the answer here. 19 by 55, 8 minus 5 equal 3, and 9 minus 5 equal 4. You can use 100 to find the answer. Start at 98, here, and go up 5 steps, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then go back 5 steps, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, to get 43. And also 86 minus 23. Start from 86, and go up 2 steps, 1, 2, and left hand side 3 steps, 1, 2, 3. Answer will be 63. 76 minus 42, you can find the answer. We can count up 4 steps and left hand side 2 steps. Move right or more right 4 spaces to match the ones. And 76, then move 3 rows from 46 to 47. That's the difference. This member has 26. We can find the difference between together to check your answer. Look at here. Put 56 minus 30. 6 minus 0 is 6, and 5 minus 3 equal to 26. 96 subtract by 43. 9 minus 3 equals 6. 6 minus 4 is 2. That's 49. It will be 6, and here 15. 15 minus 9 is 6, and 6 minus 4 is 2, 26. They are correct, okay?